Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a developer or just getting started with coding, you've probably heard of Visual Studio Code or VS Code. It's one of the most popular code editors out there, and for good reason. It's lightweight, customizable, and packed with features. But what makes it even more powerful are its extensions. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 must-have extensions for VS Code that will supercharge your productivity and make your coding experience even better. Let's dive in. Number 1. We have ESLint. If you're working with JavaScript or TypeScript, ESLint is an absolute must-have. It helps you catch errors and enforce coding standards in real time. You can customize the rules to fit your project's needs, and it integrates seamlessly with other tools like Prettier for a smooth workflow. It's like having a code reviewer built right into your editor. Number 2 is Prettier. If you've ever struggled with inconsistent code formatting, this extension is a lifesaver. Prettier automatically formats your code to make it clean and readable. It supports JavaScript, TypeScript, CSS, HTML, and more. Just save your file, and Prettier will handle the rest. Pair it with ESLint, and you've got a powerhouse combo for clean, error-free code. At number 3, we have Live Server. This extension is a game-changer for web developers. It launches a local development server with live reloading. Every time you save your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript files, your browser automatically refreshes to show the changes. No more manual reloading. It's a huge time saver and makes debugging a lot easier. Coming in at number 4 is GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered extension is like having a coding partner right in your editor. It suggests entire lines or blocks of code based on your comments or existing code. Whether you're writing boilerplate code or solving complex problems, Copilot can save you hours of work. It's a paid tool, but for many developers, it's worth every penny. Finally, we have IntelliCode. This extension uses AI to provide smarter code completions based on your coding patterns and best practices. It supports multiple languages, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and more. IntelliCode helps you write code faster and with fewer errors by predicting what you'll need next. It's like having an intelligent assistant that knows your coding style. And there you have it, the top 5 extensions for VS Code that every developer should have. From catching errors with ESLint to automating code with GitHub Copilot, these tools will help you write cleaner code, work faster, and streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which extension is your favorite or if there's one I missed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.